Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to factorize the equation x squared plus 10x plus 25. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step solution to this problem. So let's get started. Step 1. To factorize the equation x squared plus 10x plus 25. First, identify the quadratic expression. The given equation is x squared plus 10x plus 25. This is a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial is an algebraic expression of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which can be rewritten in the form a plus b squared. Now, compare the given expression to the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Here, x squared corresponds to a squared, 10x corresponds to 2ab, and 25 corresponds to b squared. Note that 10x can be written as 2 times x times 5. Thus, x is a, and 5 is b. This confirms that the given expression x squared plus 10x plus 25 fits the format of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Therefore, it can be rewritten as x plus 5 squared. Step 2. Now that we have confirmed the given expression is of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, we can proceed to rewrite it in its simplified form. Replace a with x and b with 5. Therefore, the expression x squared plus 10x plus 25 can be written as x plus 5 all squared. Since we have expressed the quadratic equation in its simplified and factored form, this concludes the factorization process. The final step shows that the expression x squared plus 10x plus 25 factors to x plus 5 all squared. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.